7:37, time to focus on business. Business editor Mike Eppel joining us now. Mike, wow, again, what a quarter for Apple.
Yeah, Ted, $13 billion in profit, $58 billion in revenue. Sales of the iPhone, 61 million in a single quarter. That's a record, and for the first time in Apple's history, more iPhones sold in China than in the United States. So it's interesting to note that China even has more room to grow from a smartphone sales perspective. Over 1 billion potential clients, and that could bolster earnings for Apple going forward. They have $198 billion of cash in the bank. They're borrowing billions because interest rates are so low right now. They can pretty much borrow money for 0%. They're buying back stock with that and hiking the dividend 11%. So right off the bat this morning, we have Apple at a record in early New York trading activity above $134 per share. Executive compensation, big topic of discussion coming up today at the annual general meeting for Barrick Gold. This company has been an underperformer now for several years. Its executives are paid mega bucks, and they may see some pushback from some pension funds that are owners of the company's shares. This happened a week ago as well at CIBC and several other big-name Canadian companies where the executive pay scale has been voted against by more aggressive shareholders in these companies. So that's something to watch for. Barrick yesterday reported earnings at 5 cents per share. They were below forecast. They're looking to sell some properties overseas to bolster their performance going forward. Ford Motor Company in with results today, and even though the F-150 pickup truck has been, by all accounts, a good seller and very highly rated, Ford isn't building them fast enough to meet consumer demand, and that hit the bottom line in the latest quarterly earnings. Ford's profit down 6.5% to $924 million. Sales below forecast as well. Stock holding just above $15 a share in the early trade this morning on Wall Street. And the Canadian dollar, it's been on a roll recently. This morning, just below 83 cents U.S. We're listening for commentary from Bank of Canada Governor Stephen Poloz. He's speaking in Ottawa to the House of Commons Finance Committee, talking about the effect of low oil on the economy, the offset from record low interest rates, and that fairly weak Canadian dollar on the export market, and listening for that throughout this day. Ted, back to you.
All right, very good. Thank you, Mike. That's our business editor, Mike Eppel, reporting this morning. You can hear Mike on 660 News at 26 and 56 after the hour.